Dito! Ikaw na magdala niyan doon, baka makakawala pa yan! Ikaw na kumuha! Tali raw, nasa yung tali nun doon. Uy, bali natin mo! Mamaya na yung tali! Ang tao! Inuna pa yun! Timing sa loob!
All set now, ready to race.
Sakay na ha! Okay na ha! Sakay na, lalarga na yan!
Last race, gas is started here at the San Lazaro Leisure Park. We have Primoz Inter Pares, break quickly at the start. Lock to win is running by Kuya. Amben comes next. Fairhaven next online is Cody Diak. Zalasam then followed by Majestic. Northern Arrow comes next, then comes Bing Begotillo, while Jolly Kush is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Lot to win by about 2 lengths. Primus Inter Paris right behind in second. Moving upon the outside is Kuya. Amben then followed over by entry number 9 Fairhaven. Next online now is Zalasam. Then followed by entry number 1 Indiac Majestic Bing Bigotillo. Next online is Northern Arrow, while Jolly Kush is still running at the tail of the field. Another part turn, we have Luck to win. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Kuya. Amben then followed over by Primus Inter Pares. Fairhaven comes next, Cordiac Salasam Majestic. Down on the inside comes Bing Bigotillo. Northern Arrow and a long way back to Jolly Kush, who's still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. We have entry number 5 and this one is Luck to win by about 2 lengths. Moving upon the outside is Kuya Amben with about 75 meters of the race. We have Luck to win followed by Kuya Amben and final Luck to win Kuya Amben. Corindiac, Bing Bigotillo, then comes Salasam close with Majestic.